What's up friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my this new video. Is Warrior Plus a good affiliate network or not? In this video I will share my honest opinion about Warrior Plus affiliate network. Okay, if you want to judge any affiliate network, then you have to focus two key things. One is learning, another is promoting. And in this video I will discuss everything. Okay, I am Rajabhadra, affiliate marketer of Legendary Marketer, ClickBank, JBJu, Warrior Plus, and many other affiliate networks, many other high ticket programs, and I am making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing. Okay, guys, but first thing is first. If you first inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to be the first viewer all of my new videos, new updates inside my YouTube channel. You see here, it's an educational YouTube channel, a lot of money making opportunities inside my YouTube channel. So if you are a newbie and if you want to long run your affiliate marketing journey, online marketing journey, online business, then you can grab all the money making opportunities, and I can assure you, you must get better result. Okay, and if you want to make over 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description. Now guys, I will discuss these two key facts. Okay, when you want to buy any products or any training program, any service, any software, at the first you have to think this software, this program, this training program help you to learn online marketing or not. If you think, if you see this software or program or training doesn't help you to learn online marketing, then don't buy those products, software or training program. Okay, and the second thing, you have to focus, is this perfect for promotion? Is this perfect for getting more commission? Is it highly converting? Okay, if you uh, focus these two things, then you can judge the any of the affiliate network. Now I will discuss about Warrior Plus. Okay, now you see here, it's all the products of Warrior Plus, and 90% of Warrior Plus products are software. I don't like any software in the case of online marketing. Okay, no software helps you to generate traffic, no software helps you to make money online. But every Warrior Plus software, if you see any of this software, then you will get a lot of fake claims. Okay, you see here, 3 click apps send free buyer traffic to done for you campaigns. How it possible? 3 clicks app sends bad traffic. If this 3 clicks app send bad traffic, then no marketer run paid ads, no marketer build website, no marketer make YouTube videos for getting traffic. It's a common sense. Okay, and if you think I need instant money, I want money right now, and if you think this software can help you, no, no marketer, no people can make a single dollar using any Warrior Plus product, because it never learn you a single marketing strategy. Then if you check any other software, you see here, the lazy shortcut to all the traffic you will ever need. Get this still traffic solution makes up to 300 per day on autopilot. How can it possible? How can a software generate over 300 per day on autopilot? I think this vendor can't do it. Then how you can do it? So in this case, in this point, if you want to focus on learning, then Warrior Plus product doesn't perfect. Okay, you will lose your money day after day, day after day, and you never learn online marketing, you never make money online. Now in the case of promotion, if I see the promotion, then I can say Warrior Plus products are perfect, but not for everyone. If you have any review website, if you have huge email list, okay, if you are an email marketer, in this case you need newly released product, and for this you can choose Warrior Plus Affiliate Network. Okay, if you check the Warrior Plus Affiliate Network marketplace, you see here a lot of product, a lot of newly released product inside Warrior Plus Affiliate Network, almost 10 product per day. If you check, you can check it, almost 10 products per day. So if you are a email marketer or if you have any review website, then you can promote Warrior Plus products, because every day you will get 10 or more newly released product for making your reviews, making email marketing. So if you want to promote Warrior Plus products, if you already have huge buyer email list, or if you have a ranked review website, then you can choose Warrior Plus products to promote. Otherwise, if you want to learn online marketing and if you choose Warrior Plus products, then you will lose your money, I can assure you. When I was a newbie, I bought a lot of Warrior Plus products, and most of the time, most of the 95% of the time, I lost my money without making any money, without learning anything. So in the case of learning, don't buy any Warrior Plus products. But if you want to promote Warrior Plus products, then you can do it. Okay, but if you have a review website, if you run ads on Facebook, Google, YouTube, or if you have huge email list, otherwise don't need to promote Warrior Plus products. Why? A lot of high ticket programs available in the internet, why you promote these low ticket products? But if you have a huge email list or you have a review website, then you can promote Warrior Plus products. So guys, it's my honest opinion, and if you don't believe me, then buy any of the Warrior Plus products and make money applying these products, this junk software. Then comment in the comment box. I will be sorry for you. Okay, but if you want to promote, in the case of promotion, you can choose Warrior Plus products. It's perfect, because a lot of newly released products every day inside Warrior Plus Affiliate Network. So guys, that's it. It's my honest opinion about Warrior Plus Affiliate Network. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and hit the notification bell to be the first viewer all of my new videos, new updates inside my YouTube channel. And it's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing, based on online marketing. So I can assure you, if you want to learn online marketing, all of my money making videos, all of my tutorial are far and far better than any of the Warrior Plus products, I can assure you. If you don't believe me, buy any Warrior Plus products, apply it, and watch any of this my YouTube tutorial, I can assure you. And if you want to make big money over 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description. And if you agree with this opinion, if you agree with me, then comment in the comment box and I will reply you. Okay guys, that's it. See you soon. God bless you. Bye.